Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Run with Windows plus R and typing %appdata%, then hit Enter. This environment variable expands directly to your roaming folder, so you skip guessing system paths. Once the folder opens, make sure File Explorer is set to show hidden items. App data is hidden by default. If the path bar reads C \users\yourname\appdata\roaming, you're in the right place. Keep this window open. You'll use it for locating app data, transferring settings, or creating shortcuts in the next steps. Once inside roaming, you'll see folders named for apps and services. These hold settings, cache, and profiles. You can navigate to another account's roaming by replacing the user segment in the path bar with their username. C \users\username\appdata\roaming. Make sure you have permission. Right-click a folder and choose Properties right arrow Security to view access. If you need to back up or copy settings, select Folders. Use Ctrl+C/Ctrl+V and monitor transfer progress. Remember why you're here. Moving these files preserves app configurations across installs or machines. To finish, copy or compress the specific app folder for backup. A zip reduces size and preserves timestamps. Moving settings between machines means placing the folder back into the exact roaming path and restarting the app. For convenience, right-click a folder and pin to quick access or create a desktop shortcut. If you can't find roaming, first confirm hidden items is enabled and that your system isn't redirecting app data to another drive. If permissions block actions, run File Explorer as an administrator or take ownership carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.